So now I'm going to answer a question of genetics which is not so easy to understand. You will have to actually take help of paper and pen to solve this question. First, let me read this question. In a class of Drosophila involving the X-linked recessive I mutation, that is white, and the autosomally linked recessive I mutation, Sepia, which actually causes dark eye color, predict the F1 and F2 results of crossing true breeding parents of the following phenotypes. That is, if a white-eyed female is crossed with sepia-eyed male, then in such case, what would be the genotype and phenotype of F1 flies? And if such F1 flies are crossed among them, then what would be the phenotype of F2 flies? This is the question. So before solving this question, we should know that white eye in Drosophila is caused because of mutation in the X chromosome. So it is X-linked character. And this is caused by a recessive gene mutation. The other one, sepia eye color, in which the eye color will be brownish black. So such eye color mutation is because of mutation in the third chromosome. So it is an autosomal uh, mutation in which the eye color changes. Instead of red eye color, individuals having sepia eye color will be actually those who will be homozygous recessive. They will have recessive allele present on the third chromosome. So one particular phenotype, that is white eye, is caused by gene mutation in the X chromosome, and the other one is caused by gene mutation in the third chromosome. So, and the other point is that this white eye phenotype is actually epistatic to the sepia. Okay, so this is epistatic to sepia. This is epistatic even to the red eye color, which is caused by the gene locus present on the third chromosome, and that causes sepia eye color. So with this concept, you can solve this question. Now we have to take care that the parents which are being crossed, they are pure white-eyed females and sepia-eyed males. And that I have shown in this table. Here the parents, their genotype will be WW, because if a female is white-eyed, then on its both X chromosome the allele will be WW, and on the third chromosome the two alleles will be normal allele, so they are being indicated as SC plus SC plus. This female is being crossed with a sepia-eyed male. If it is male, it means its one X chromosome will have W plus allele, that is normal allele. The other chromosome will be Y, and on third chromosome the genotype will be SC. Because of this SC homozygous allele, the individual will have sepia eye color. Now, if they will be crossed with each other, then in F1 generation we can understand the genotype of the individuals, but here genotype will be shown in females and males separately, because if you find this W combining with W plus, so W plus W, this will cause actually red eye color, and then SC plus will combine with SC, so we can say that such type of individuals will be female and they will be wild type. Wild type means they will have normal features. We can consider them to be of red eye color phenotype. So females will be W plus W and SC plus SC, and they will be wild type. Males, you see, if this W combines with Y chromosome and SC plus combines with SC, then such males will be white-eyed, because W allele present on the X chromosome will cause white eye phenotype. So this will be the answer for F1 types, that F1 offspring. Their all females will be wild type and their all males will be white-eyed. Then if these males and females of F1 are crossed, then we can understand that what means how many types of gametes will be formed in case of male as well as in females. And if such gametes randomly fertilize each other, then what would be the phenotype of the F2 offspring? By seeing such genotypes, we can have idea about their phenotypes. So in case of female, four different types of gametes will be formed in equal number. They will be W plus SC plus, okay, then W plus SC, then W and SC plus and WSC. These four different types of gametes will be formed equally in case of female. In case of male, again four types of gametes will be formed. 25% of gametes will be W and SC plus. Other will be W and SC. Then Y and SC plus and Y and SC. Okay, so here on the upper side as well as in the left side in green color, the type of gametes formed in male and female are shown. Now there would be random fertilization, and then the genotype of offspring could be shown in the 16 Punnett squares. So total 16 Punnett squares are shown here. And if you see the genotype of offspring, you will find that in the first two columns where offsprings are shown, phenotypes of female will be there. Okay, in this, see in this column, the female types are there. In the other column also female types are there. And in remaining two columns, the male phenotypes will be there because male genotype is being shown. So this will be considered in the form of male, because in every case Y chromosome will be coming, so male types will be there. So if you see the female types, you will find that 1, 2 and 3. These three females, that is W plus W, SC plus SC plus, or W plus W, SC plus SC. So these three females will be wild type. It means they will be red-eyed. They will be having W plus allele, so they will be red-eyed, and here also SC plus is present, so they are actually wild type females. Now this female, see I am showing with the help of this indicator, is W plus W and SC SC. So this will be Sepia-eyed female. And other four, these four, remaining four, are actually white-eyed females because their genotype is WW. Don't care whether SC plus is there or SC there. If it is WW, then such type of females will always be white-eyed. So this one is white-eyed female, this is white-eyed female, this is white-eyed female. Even this one with genotype WW and SC will be a white-eyed female. So four white-eyed females will be there. Exactly in the same way, in case of male, offspring, F2 offspring, you will find that 1, 2, 3. These three males are wild type because they have W plus allele, okay, and SC plus. So they are actually red-eyed male. Then this one W plus Y and SC, this is actually Sepia-eyed male. And these four remaining, cases will be for white-eyed males. So the answer for this question will be, in case of F2, 3 by 16 wild type females, 4 by 16 white-eyed females, 1 by 16 sepia-eyed females, 3 by 16 wild type males, 4 by 16 white-eyed males, and 1 by 16 sepia-eyed males. What I want to tell that in such kind of cases, you cannot anticipate anything. You will have to be very careful in solving such question because here male and female phenotypes will be considered separately. Okay, if there is some alteration in the question, then the ratio may not be so symmetrical. There may be variation in the ratio. But particularly for this question, I have answered all these things in a stepwise manner. You can see the phenotype of parents which are being involved in such cross. they are white-eyed females and sepia-eyed males, their genotype is being shown. Then based on this, you can know the genotype of their F1 offspring, and accordingly you can guess their phenotypes. And then if such type of F1 flies will be crossed with each other, then how many types of F2 flies will be there with respect to their phenotype, that you can answer. And by making this, Punnett square, you can also know the genotype of females and males shown here.